Planning on going abroad? Well, this will be useful for you. Currencies are a medium of exchange generally found in coins and notes, but also seen digitally. And these can be exchanged for goods and services. Most nations will have their own currencies, though some are shared, such as the euro or pound sterling. As a consumer, what you are most concerned about is how much of a currency you can get, ideally for less of your own money. Now, when going abroad, you have three current options, covering exchanges at home or in a destination, ATMs abroad, or just using card transactions. Exchanges are a commonly used way to access physical currency that are purchased for a nominal amount in your home currency. The point to note is that exchanges will never give you the Google search market exchange rate, as they also need to make a profit. The counter option is to go purely cashless and just use your card, which is a fine option when you know everything is already paid for or that the requirement for physical cash is not strong in your chosen destination. Generally a good option in more developed countries. This is most effective when you have a chosen provider that offers close to the interbank exchange rates, allowing you to get the best available rates as a consumer. Though be aware to avoid using card machines for paying in your home nation's currency by paying in your destination's currency. But what if you need cash but don't want to be ripped off by an exchange? The simple way is to take your close to perfect exchange rate card and find an ATM in your destination that will not charge you any additional fees. So far, I have found this possible in countries like Germany and the Czech Republic. Now, you may have to pay an access fee to do this, but it could be cheaper than using exchanges, depending on the amount being withdrawn, as it can often just be a flat fee. How do I do it? When travelling in Western and some of Eastern Europe, I stick to using my card only, unless I know that I have a need for cash, in which case I will try to get it from an ATM in that country. It looks like I'll be heading to Turkey soon, however, so I'm going to be purchasing some emergency cash to make sure that I have it, as I know it's more of a cash-driven economy. And this will allow me to do things like transfers or taxis if the need comes up. To summarise, plan ahead and identify where you will need cash and for what elements, say a taxi fare from an airport to your hotel. After deciding how much you need, seek to then get a good rate, avoiding commissions and fees where possible. Or, depending on the destination, you can always withdraw the money in country, though this will require some planning ahead. Last of all, if you're taking cash, try to use it up rather than have it sit around for months or even years. You do not want it to just become lazy money.